All right, what's up, guys? I'm going to try to start making super fast videos so people can just watch and go. All right, so let's get started right now. So, OCGN this morning, I was looking at this area here to jump in, but 2 minutes before the bell rang, it started exploding. So then I kind of wanted to see if this area was going to hold. So, as soon as I saw it dropping and starting to go back up, I kind of jumped in right there. And then all of a sudden, it was shaky. And then another thing, my orders this morning was not going through properly. I'll show you guys on the video. It was not going through properly. So because of that, I just ended up stopping because this thing almost made me lose a boatload of money. I don't know what was going on. And this is the importance of recording your trades every single day, because if something like this happens to you, then you could just take the recording and send it to the broker, and hopefully the broker give you back your money. But thankfully, that didn't happen this morning. I ended up in the green because this stock was strong. Now, if it was weak and took a dive, I would have ended up losing a lot of money because there were glitches this morning. Now, there's not always glitches in the system, but every now and then there is a glitch in the system. So that's why we record our trades every day. Okay. All right. So let me show you guys the recording really quick. Um, let's hit play here. So as you can see, 9:30, the bell just rang, and I'm looking to see if it's gonna do a dip and hold this area here and not tank below $9. And then if it is, then I'm gonna jump in. So as you can see, I jumped in right there. I don't know what the hell happened. I tried to sell. Let me rewind this really quick. All right, hold on. I rewind it. Okay, so I jumped in, and then it started coming down. It happened so quick. Let me explain it before it happened so you guys could see. So basically, I see that it's hanging on. So I'm anticipating the move to go up to go time. So I'm jumping in super early. But watch what happens. I jump in, and then I see that it went up a little bit and then starts coming down on me. So I quickly sold. But my order was not executing for some reason, right? So watch this. I'm going to try to pause it. Okay, I'm seeing green. Boom, I jump in. It starts coming. Watch how it starts coming down. It starts coming down like that. I got scared. I sold. My order did not go through. It did not go through. So I had to cancel that order, and then I sold. So I did sell, and then it tanked, right? Because I saw that it wasn't super strong. I decided, let me get out. And then volume starts kicking again. Did you see that? My order is sitting right here. I hit my hotkeys again to get in at 9:35. It did not execute. My order did not execute again. So this is 2 times in a row my order is not executing. Now this thing is running up without me. So at that point, I cancel my order. It was a strange morning. It was very strange. So look, here's another order I put in. It did not execute again. So at that point now, I don't know what's going on with this platform. I don't know what's going on today. So I end up canceling that order. And then I hit the hotkeys again. And then it gave it to me way down here. Look, the candle's not even there. And look, I got filled there below the candle price. I don't know what was going on. And look, here's another sell order I'm trying to sell. It's not selling. I'm trying to cancel my order. And it's going down on me now. Now I'm like, oh Lord, here we go. It's gonna be a red day. So my order's not selling. It's not executing. Look at this thing. So and it hit that price point. So at that point, I was like, you know what? Let's see if it's gonna go back up. I was hoping that it goes back above go time. So as soon as look what happened then it executed. So I don't know what was going on this morning. Look at this again. Look at where the stock price is. I'm trying to sell up here, and look, the stock is trading there, and it got executed. So somebody must have placed a big order. I don't know what happened. To be honest with you, I can't even explain it. So sometimes maybe this is not. Maybe it's having a little lag. Maybe it's just something is happening to where it's not functioning properly. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the volatility in the market. I have no clue. But if you look, Um, After I got out, as you guys can see, I jumped in at 9:26, jumped out at 9:27. I got scared. I got out, right? Because I saw it coming down on me. So as soon as I see something start getting down on, coming down on me, boom, I'm out. And then I jumped back in. As you can see, I jumped back in a couple times. I didn't get filled. I jumped in at 9:35. I tried to get a better fill, but finally I got a fill at 9:60, which is pretty high. But I'm still expecting it to break above go time. And then I try to sell at 986, and then this thing wouldn't. It just was sitting there, and it just would not execute. I don't know why my orders were not executing this morning. So if it had plummeted on me, I would have probably send this video to the broker and see what the hell is going on. But because it worked out in my favor, I'm not going to email them. I'm not going to send them this video. So I'll just walk away with 1080. Once that happened to me, I said to myself, you know what? Something's going on with the broker this morning. So you know what? I'm just going to sit this one out. I am not going to trade. And of course, this thing starts exploding after I decide not to jump in anymore. And then look at this thing. So let's go over my trades one more time. So basically I jumped in at 926, sold at 927. So I took 1 cent there, and I jumped in at 960, and then I jumped out at 986. So this was 26 cents there. And then because it just was like this, I don't know what was going on with the execution. I ended up just saying, you know what? Today is not a good day for me to be trading, because I could have lost pretty big. I mean, you guys saw it a couple times. My orders did not go through. And then for some reason, I got filled way up here and the stock was trading down there. So I don't know what was going on this morning with the platform. And of course, after I stop, this thing explodes to 1077. And then watch this. It went all the way up to $18. Look at this thing. This thing went all the way as high as up here, which is 1874, 1877. So 1877, this thing went up as high as 1877. How crazy is that? I was trading it right down here. Took this trade. This thing was going crazy on me. And then all of a sudden, this thing exploded. All right, well, that's what happened today. Sometimes the platform is not 100. There's nothing in life that's 100% perfect. I could have easily taken a nice loss today. I don't know. I guess I could say I'm pretty lucky too. I'm a lucky guy. Things always go my way, I guess. Some people, things always go against them. I don't understand. Some people have like black clouds over their heads. I don't know. Some people. Let me not make this video long, but I don't know. For me, it's always sunshine and blue skies. For some reason, I always come out on top. I don't know why that is, but ever since I was a kid, I've always had like great luck. So, um, but yeah, this thing now is coming down. But yeah, it went all the way up to $18, above 18, almost hit $19. So I was trading it at the $9, $9 mark. So I was trading it at the $9 mark. So this is crazy. This is crazy. All right, guys, that's it. Try to keep these videos short from now on. So chat with you guys another day. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below. Also, trade ideas. If you guys don't have trade ideas, link to trade ideas is below. Go ahead and subscribe to Trade Ideas. That's how I'm finding these stocks. These are the pre-market movers right here, and OCGN, as you can see, is number one. So I know one strategy, and I apply that one strategy every single day. But I go and I look at my scanner every day to see what's going on. So whatever's going on is what I'm jumping on. But first I wait for my strategy, and then I jump in because I know what my entries are, and I know when to get out. So for me, it's pretty quick and easy. All right, so that's it for today. But yeah, this thing is coming down now. But man, what a run. What a run. So imagine if I just held from here and just sold somewhere around here. Wow, it would have been a crazy day. All right, guys, enjoy your day. I'm going to take off. One more thing I was going to say is real estate. I got to start posting some real estate videos. I I'm not big on content, so if you guys have questions about real estate, ask questions so I can kind of make content based on your questions. But if you guys don't have any questions, I don't know. I probably won't post anything. I just keep doing deals silently. So I'm not really like, I don't come up with a lot of content. Maybe if I read something and then I come up with with some content, I'll just post it. But if you guys want specific content, ask questions. That way I could answer them and post the video. Um, Again, if you have properties in your city or if you have a family member who's looking to sell any type of property, no commercial though, no commercial. I don't do anything above 4 units. So it's 1 to 4 units. If you have a family member who's selling a house, they're in some type of situation. Look at this, NL is popping up. Let's see what NL is doing real quick. NL is taking off. See, this is why I love the scanner. It's telling me what's going on, what's making big moves right now. So this is live. This is live. Trade ideas. I love trade ideas. So if you guys don't have trade ideas and you're planning on, day trading, you're making a big mistake if you don't have a scanner that's reliable. Anyhow, if you guys look at this thing, wow. So yeah, if you guys, I wouldn't trade this one because of the volume. It's just not enough volume for me right now. Yeah, you see the volume is under 100,000. It's just not enough volume for me. I would wait though to trade it. I would wait a little bit longer. I would wait a little while for volume to kick in because volume is not good right now. Um, so that's about it. But yeah, if you guys have family members that, or anyone, it could be anyone looking to sell a property. I don't care what city you're in. If you're in any major city across the United States, give me a call. Or email me below. My email is right down below. Send me your number and I'll contact you. If you have a property yourself you're trying to get rid of, hit me up. And I buy properties all across the country. What I do is I'll put it under contract and then we wire the funds to an attorney or a title company in your area after we do our due diligence. And if it's a deal, obviously we're going to buy it. But if it's not a deal, I'll tell you why it's not a deal. That way you can learn and then we walk away from that one. So yeah, if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment below and I'll chat with you guys another day.